Ever wonder how AI can slash your fleet downtime by 50%? Stick around to find out. Imagine a world where your construction fleet runs like a well-oiled machine, literally. AI is making this a reality. From predictive maintenance that stops breakdowns before they happen, to real-time monitoring of vehicle locations and fuel use, AI is optimizing every aspect of fleet management. Gone are the days of endless paperwork and guesswork. With AI, you get automated work orders and compliance checks. Your fleet stays safe and efficient. Plus, say goodbye to costly delays and overruns. AI helps you allocate resources smartly, keeping projects on track and under budget. Join us for our upcoming webinar on Wednesday, July 18, 2024, at 11 a.m. PST. We'll show you how AI-powered tools can transform your fleet management. Live demo that's packed with actionable insights. Whether you're a fleet manager, maintenance leader, project head, or operations pro, this is your chance to future-proof your operation. Reserve your spot now, and take the first step towards smarter, more efficient fleet management. Register now through the link below.